welcome to my channel. I'm Tharani and today I will be cooking with you a chicken quesadilla. So the ingredients are chicken. I had leftovers from a barbecue I had. And then some cheese. You can have any kind of cheese. I usually prefer mozzarella, but I don't have it today, so I'm using just any cheese I have at home. And then you'll be needing tortillas. I got this idea because usually I like a chicken quesadilla because usually in a Mexican store, they give that meal and I really like it. And why do I have to go to a store to buy something when I can make it at home? So let's get started. So first, I'm gonna on the fire for my stove. I'm gonna put it on low for now. And then we're gonna check the heat. We're not gonna be using oil because I'm using a non-stick pan. So now we can take a tortilla. I use wheat flour tortilla, but you can use any kind of tortilla. If you don't have one, you can even make it at home. So I don't need oil since it's a non-stick pan, so I'm gonna just put it down. So now I'm gonna flip the tortilla. Also, it doesn't matter if your tortilla is ripped or anything. You can just stick it. Just make sure your tortilla isn't fully ripped in half, or else you might need a new one. So now we're going to add the cheese. We're going to take some cheese and just sprinkle it on one side. So just kind of make a half mark and then fill one side. Now I'm done with the cheese, so I'm gonna add the chicken. You can add as much chicken as you want. You can put it in random spots. There's not a specific amount for how much you put. Just follow your heart. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of cheese and cover the top of the chickens. If you want, you can even add tomato sauce or sour cream. Right now my cheese on the bottom is melting, so I'm gonna just put this, fold it, and flip it over. Some things might fall out. So I'm just gonna push it back in like that. It's almost done. We're just gonna let the cheese melt on the other side, which we put on top of the chicken. It takes me about a minute to finish this. This is a fast and easy recipe to make. Any kids or adults can make it. So now, I'm gonna take this off and put it on my plate. Also, before you do that, you wanna make sure the cheese has melted inside. So you just kind of open the flap. And voila! It's cheese chicken quesadilla. You can eat this with any kind of sauce or sour cream, or you can even eat it plainly. I like it with sour cream, and it's gonna be delicious. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.